Why does ordering matter in type hinting? Why is this okay? But this is not. I know that you cannot have circular references in importing. However, this is not an import thing, both of these are in the same file. In both cases the definition of ship is made, but it seems as though if fleet is defined first it can't find the definition of ship. This is not true if I use this instance to check the type. However, that does not allow my PyCharm to see the definition and autocomplete syntax. In fact, the following design pattern seems to work fine. But, again, does not allow for my eye to figure out the types. This is Python 3.6.5/Anaconda/Windows 10.
Def@_ship self, ship column is evaluated at definition time. At that time ship is not defined yet. If this instance ship column is evaluated only when @_ship is called. This will, hopefully, be only after ship had been defined. PEP 563, implemented in Python 3.7 and above, solves this by making the type annotations evaluation lazy. If you upgrade, you can add from _future_import annotations to the top of the file and that example will work. This will be fully implemented in Python 4.0, meaning from _future_import annotations will not be needed. Pre-Python 3.7 solution. If you can't or don't want to upgrade to Python, =3.7 you can use a string literal annotation, which is also mentioned in the PEP I linked to.